We're gonna build a SI logo for the world's most expensive Civic with this guy.
It's probably not the world's most expensive, but
It's not yet.
It's not cheap.
Another couple of months it'll probably do it. Yeah, brush the CI back on the back end, so just, you know, that's easy. Didn't show it to you. I'm running out of the red paint and I don't have time to go to Home Depot. But we're gonna do this CI. So this paint sprays pretty good horizontal, most of them don't. And we don't want to get into the nooks and crannies because then we're gonna end up having to repaint the black. So let it dry, we'll do another coat and assemble it. And so there it is, it's all finished. Real pretty. Not even sure if I'm gonna use the video, just using the little drill for scale and so forth. Should really come up with something more creative. But just so you know, on the back we got the screws in, and then I gotta put the little feet on the back. Actually, let me do that real quick. Here's a small little piece. Let's see if it can focus. There we go. So this way it's just sits a little bit off the wall, so it's a little bit of a gap. Makes for a better shadow. And also I did paint, so all the black, I did hand paint all this, just because I wanted the shadow to be real perfect, and it's going to somebody who will be like OCD about details ever so slightly. But yeah, not bad for a few minutes of work. Came out pretty clean. Great success.